Yano mama show reject me. And so papa way also the 1 minute and I'm clear. It told me and I saw how we were then. And what we also and what you so too. Ma said the teachers no the Sandam Adom. Gradually, but then see the breathing. The thing I mean, quantity the man. What show me piano? I didn't send a name. But you won't piano. The thing I mean, consider the end. And the piano. That's how I do the money. Sick of them. Now, who's so from? Baby, what to car? Of it in Bible with. Let me call the men. I have no the men. Hospital, no the men. Me, never pay me. It is said and say, you are sure of Yaram. As I didn't shun the money copy. As I demand me, quite. I'll demand a transfer to say, as I demand me, I do see. Amen.
Amen. Namika, we are that's a pass on so frail. Never for last 2 night, see. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Hi,
Daddy.
Your friend saying?
Vivian.
Okay, you too. Hello. Hey, I see me. And I'm not earlier, no. I didn't in a very serious way. Yes, I see a beautiful lines 19 free beer, then a Raja. Mammy or Casa Crana, Uti is Sucro on the Castle. I just say, we are doing serious business. Friend now, be Mama fans, and yet time we need the man fans is out. Raja, that's just sad. Debbie, share. Don't say, Adibia said, me, ya. Me share that can the account. Me say know why you are calling. We appreciate the fact say be phone lines our best friend. But a dear particular day na ye no. Say who nim bia na say emfa ho a wo de tena ba bia nsa. What I say? And be block you be chance we na can me fall last two no block you back chance wo mu no. You have to be serious. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patro Frosty.
Patro from keep on person than I think Bebo Joseph, no way on the Pacro.
Okay.
Roger, in conform pre Abuami or my brabum. Baba, Namekana, Macoma, Pa, Mitiwa, who bought topic is no. Your friend Mama Vic or Cofoidia. Now, me free a crowd no more school for you, dear. Namu Oster. Send a mamma in the meeting, Badgery, not to Cofoida, not to Batum, full gospel. I saw now Batum with you, Nano. Now it's the boy, not your or Timber, you still know. Send a mamma in the farm, me send a battle. The Woofrey Tra, who would that say, yeah, main canning bound. But then I see a baby piano. Yakupo man in Quatincy, your shoe on piano, Yakupo send a name. Oman and Dory, Nan Canimba, the Nana Num, in a Sifuni na.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's the pioneer.
Mechan in Banina, Sister, Mammy, Nana Michomun na.
All right. Yeah, that's the power for your call.
Thanks, Roger.
Producer and so they said they need to know. Last one. Okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Roger.
Me about your friend saying.
Ebremi Isaac.
And yeah, what appreciation? What appreciation? Maybe so Africans why not? On one I do them go Capronechi.
But Mr. Medame Pastor Viate, a pen of Pastor Bedia for Committee 4.
Okay.
Radiadum, why if you are my pan, and whether our boy me a female friend, and I'm in my mesoberry or boy and pan.
Okay.
See me done as the pan, we will be on your coupon shad no, Tema Committee 4.
Okay. Yeah, that's a pa. Yeah, that's a fancy. Now, a very big thank you, pa. Kesepa ba konson koma. Prophet Sifas Kwame Pega Tamaklu. Breaking yoke. Papa Nyamisha no yoke kese wate. Petra Trust. And then I heard the story about an old lady be a say wabra na ɔwɔ ne mabai wabri mu no said na ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔden na ɔkɔ ne nnwuma so ne adeɛ me well to do bia kama na ne wadu ne mpani fie so na nneɛma mu ayɛ den mpɛsɛ mɛkyekyi mu obi asɛm yɛnka no bibiri sa wɔ radio so ɛnɛ na yɛkɔ na yɛba o na ɔkyena asɛm de yɛnim Ghana hanso systems ne nya adwuma yie could you believe say onipa yi bi a wayɛ aba adwuma na nɛ yi wa retire na sebi pension kakra obegye kura timi di bi atua hospital bills kura no wagye kura wo di tua yɛn so oh enu ti na Petra Trust say enne yi ahoden wo hɔ a wokɔba sika bɔ obotumi enwom ni nkomo na omomwa wo sebe ya won so daachi no when you are old and grey enema betimi akoyi ediama esese wo gitum preko pese it is how much control you have over your money and not how much money you have and betimi aboa wo sebe ya de opese wo achieve now in the future no betimi an sa pepepe enti ja bibia mu Petra na nei efficiently yemo na watimi control sika no through savings investment pensions and the keke kan bebre na madachi asetrenu mu ayede for Petra CCR was 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Kojak Farmer and trauma sen fimfimo na entua wa kono de anka de drink emu a chile na ape so nan sen wo se wo ya sa wo no pe na fimfimo wo de anka hot coffee e wu dwagu mu ani so na yi nya ya na o sen fimfimo ana de ana chesen ka sugar wom sa no sweetie na anka opani die pa ba se say wudi pe na o sen fimfimo use Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash. Ebejai said your baby ni. Would you use Kojak F toothpaste and mouthwash na? Osen F film ni na beko. Ba the end yan film keke e to da kra ne san ye oya. Tu ba bia wo twu se otimi se gam ni na ye oya ne ade tu awugua na etu moja. Use Kojak P toothpaste and mouthwash. Ebejai. O pese yen 10 mile pa now the Kojak sensitive toothbrush no so aka ho. E ko yie se. Omo kura na my Kojak Pro code papa I de ekutia code and flu. Me pa cho yen ye pro code no. Kojak ne bon KOJACH and a logo no tattoo. Eh, you turn one when you down. Want to Kojak for pro code no. And ne papa original no. Available at pharmacy shops out in across the country. The door parish here quite what kind she drug lane. And yes, our friend was 0249 209 920 and our fee 0260 870 780. Buy1on1.com. The only na dress way back up. Car now part one now spare parts. A dine now part one now say opasase. And now per building materials. Home appliances. BVI. Just log on to www.buy1on1.com. Now doing here now Sabekano. Or Sandy my way in Ebusuna water one. Baby are the quiet better in terminal a buy1on1.com. Okoton wade hons way free and your hey 0266 637 111 afi 0302 300 472 na ye dinko mo kama pa DBS Industries Limited nefree was say dan west here we do say oboso ayewa dwen and they obetimi afre ye ba be try estimate the amount kama pa betimi kura no ayan hihye said your ho be susu bia no ya ni kakra de amount what I say because I saw timi board dan so Now the chance papa su cruise afebo. Yes, all the boss will be a beer of your back. I graduate and padan so boss will be Debbie. Betoya and Colourling Plus roofing sheety. Yane, I losing content. A woman, a queen, ye change the account gasolina. AZ 150. The rest no, between AZ 30 and AZ 50. And nothing about try the year near 20-year warranty was so. And they craft 5% discount to all train. You're a check on the Expenses Road next to Papa Restaurant. Number the chance that Papa Fako board down so 055 Atiafaso 0543 286 637. That's 0543 286 637 and at 0577 619 102. Epsilon Security Limited. We are one of the best security companies in Ghana. I'm combining technology with manpower to provide security system. And no there, why not that? So when you go social, they Epsilon Security Limited. A fast-growing company. Yeah, currently, recruit you a month for into where you're fit and energetic. Pass out by a security guard there. This is your chance. As I saw here between 21 and 50 years. Now, about Juma as a professional security officer. Epsilon Security. Ebe provided training papa the amount. Yes. So and I recruit professional license drivers and riders and a control room operators. It will be now to me baby there and a body now so apply because salary no emuye pa na yetuan in terms it me provide accommodation and transport at the moment for adwuma for within Accra and Tema. Pacho take his first step way towards a professional and rewarding career. Our friend numbers is 0577 688 702 and our face 0571 073 966. Epsilon Security, the security that never sleeps. Valentine and run your dear and run Penina Behe Hamburg Home Lodge come to 10. A mouth for choose or a mouth for Shakona near the idea. Hey, but crowd nearby, no teams and yet boys, girls, and move. Hey, 24 months for no more, you don't near the idea. You have vast name, Chamusao. You go to February, mood there, bounce there, Cosa, your dosa, and Uti and a Marina Mall at Safra. Sabray. Now, when from the 2nd of February, we welcome the 16th of February, you go to Dragumusa, and next Friday, the 15th of February, a old school bash plus giveaways and Cupid movement. Then Yame Adom Ochina 16th. And Marina Jamboree giveaways, Nick Cupid movements, and so everybody. It's in Patron says shopping quad there. And the money Marina Shopping Mall. There'll be lots of food, chocolate, wine, cocktails, milkshakes, and cakes for your enjoyment. Marina Shopping Mall. When we check on Airport City, or any Butu. Visit Marina Shopping Mall for the ultimate shopping experience because our prices are very, very moderate. Adom akwasi de di animi me church na chi. Asida court ewo Oduma. Emmanuel Junction, yeah, Ben Ablekuma. Few meters and now few minutes drive from here Amasaman. A honey idea the deal with Pokuya 101 April. Sunday the 17th of February. Oh. A Shasano pattern. Obra now call Malcolm Home. Pokuya 101. Any OPD, NAO host. Sponsored by Amelina Children's Heaven. And my friend, my papa, and address you in the hall. Afe JM Ado and Sons Limited, producers of Wemplex 400 and Alpha Garlic. It is powered by Pokuya 101 Concept and Adom FM. Jerry, happy birthday. Enkoma Elder Samuel Redu of the Church of Pentecost, Gethsemane Assembly, Latebi Okoshi District, from Ejapoku. John Winner. Sele Ayobi Opamwade Watema Community 5. Or say or we show happy birthday. Now birthday no nyame adom a watchna. This is watch na yam benti no or we show en April kwato. Etiji to. So happy birthday going out to you, John Winner. We advance a happy birthday pa. And Sele of Tema Community 5. We are interest or the Emma War. Or Sinyame Onsha na onyo kese na umbi ekwanya kese bibri Emma ewo Yesu dim. Thank you my Lord. Your friend Dominic or Maslog. Dominic Enyimba. Minu anet say. Maxwell Kwabena Abwaje Shermanting or CoCo Processing Company Limited. We'll say happy Valentines Day. Enko Emma whose sweet wife, Mrs. Mary Abwaje Shermantin. And also your guy. Yeah, that was you. Yeah, Baba. Jerry, please, my madam says every day she listens to you with her workers. But unfortunately, I don't request or greet her. So please, do that for me. My greetings to Mrs. Matilda Bampo of Tilibus Cut and Fits, Saki Bediako Assembly. No, Saki Bediako Assemblies of God Church. You, and you're not my child wife, Charles, why, you know, what your 3 points, Navy, BB. say yetie asɛm a yɛde etu yɛn ho ɛna awie yi na yetie no real quick na fi yewie a ɛna Friday wonu say Friday there a freestyle it bibia timisi ati ase bibia timi ba wakwam ɛwɔ Ofie Kwanso die so na kyɛ sɛ yɛbogum ne yɛde kɔ anim saa ntiankwa kɔpem se nunsia bɛbɔn de na kyɛ sɛ bibia yɛ fine ati ase right ntie ɛnɛ de yɛde tu yɛn ho asɛm a di tu yɛn ho fo no wɔ brɔfo kasɛm no asɛm ne sɛ ɛfa abufuo ho asɛm ne sɛ if you don't overcome your anger if you don't overcome your anger you will end up doing something permanently foolish when you are temporarily upset. The second part one or say if you don't overcome your anger you will end up doing something permanently foolish when you are temporarily upset. Enti noti permanently and temporarily so two words here back on the nature say afebo akaho and a back on so temporary no de ebetimi asima kakra bi na free ho nanso de ebetimi asima kakra bi na free ho no eno na say ade pa your anger want me hu said you be show ho so ewom so ye nipa you are not an angel enti adien ya bibi besi abufuo beba wasetrem toda na mesresre sa ne ade na betana obi timi obi ohia me obont Rajari unie chale into why are bufu share I don't know amoje sane we muse ya but it's so how to control your anger obi ani asase so a wabra ne bu afum no otimi take the best decision wo de abufuo take decision a actually wani beba ho so no won se sebe wadi nkwase asem enu tie wo be hia se abre no nyina no obema di utrim dem say wo ye nipa eden ya bibi betimi asi amabufuo beba obi betimi ahyew abufuo sometimes driving crowd ya na hadwen on the streets on the roads chale driver bibi ebetimi aye wade wan hwe obube fu mo ahwe kra besi akokontokwa but sometimes as so who said you betimi a control sa anger no sa abufuo no because asem yi ka kyen say yantimi endi yabufuo so na yantimi ahye ho so a de beba ne say ye be ya ade bi asebe sa de no eye jimiem ene ye de be ye no nyansa bi anim na wa take sa decision awie na wa tusa na mo na awie enso be wie no na aka ho na ba be ya ade a abeye part of you wanya ya awie amamansan nyina ehu awie ebetimi abasa between no here ebi kranka ye piamu asem but wo hia o here wa bonten obedwa mu compound house wona eye na ehu abufu a ye wadapa ni ade abeto abonten awie echi na wakoma to wo ye mu no na wo se sebe wadi nkwase asem eso sa abre no wanya spill beans na wi wakama obia ate awie eso esenke ye wo ne o here mokokwa mu asem abeye something permanent akaho obia nya ate awie enso na anka eye britia ketua bim na obufuye ai no de na anka ye temporary isa se wantimi anhwe ho so ntie nei abeye permanent foolishness no abeka ho hu said you be show ho so wabra bibiasi ai de abufu aba wasetenam na wankwa ankoye ade bi a nyansa enim ya saade no ebeka ho ebeya sena ho da ne da nyina minim se wati na sopam na de beye adwuma nyame hia na onka ho na onom ya na edu ba bia eden nipa bi adwen be ya de atete wa na hweye na wantimi ankɔhwɛ ho so but force nyame omu a ebeye aseda ene de ma sorry next state my ensase papa ne adan papa to at beautiful locations ene yenkasa keke a group of young Christians and I yaba together say oman for bre omo bre in acquiring a plot of land keke obesi dan wo so no ye be yisa problems in nefio ama say wo trust us confidently ubetimi atwasa ase no na kakra wonso why your project e de asisu fefefe kama enuti Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays etonsa from manfo nyina you be when you are interested so better in Sasibia. You know, back on your various sites and now I quack. Ye chose assassin and who crap town should need be a pepe washer when you to a yagani. Once with me fetchly acquire your checks and will lands near there. We are convinced that Oba you assassin a crata semoni, sika semoni, ya bibianu biakana kumatonium, simple in titia. Obetimi afraid. It was 0270 012-295. Afi 050-054-5457. Person send the WhatsApp and so they are WhatsApp 0244-721-348. Now on a sorry estate edinkomo. Jean office at Chakwan Accra Newtown haya. When I'm circular Chimota Road is now Duka Price Boomerang building in China road near Newtown. Ubukev no kwa wenim kakra straight to na pe bon say washing baby or e won sabenkum on sanifa so wujina washing bay nanimu a directly opposite there's a story building a straw and I'll be sorry next it where God lives. Finally, mighty power tonic and then the capsules when I saw some mojam na yimu fini na purify ni na kama na light it me circulate here has blood circulation power me man so amaye mre won pam ni ade na so no ebo ye na sa sexual weakness ni na ayi e de free honom kama pa de ama wapos wani so hwa de na ye wisi ni nyina no mighty power tonic and then capsules etuna say afi mon so a constipation etete mo untimi nya wanan se de open no mighty power kefid laxative syrup and then the capsules and also ebedi wa kajemu na amama ya show mu nyina so no aklani na na mu ada kama pa your mighty power expires ointment and the KOCO ho adwuma na ye etwetwa atopoti ni ade ebe hini na ya na kekao toda kra na de etumuja mighty power expires ointment ebedi wa kajemu and your mighty power hair cream so ho utimi na bubu asabasa na ade nyina no ehwe na a prevent sade na ho ni na etu na se na ma otimi na timi afu ai fa kan fefefe oba nso watimi anya wanu nya papa bi na wo de yi achia and your mighty power beauty cream so ho and a clear black spot how do na wo skin ni na wrinkles ni ade na ne dark spots ni chete atimi ahwe na a brighten no skin no asan soften na kama ya moton e de amount and your mighty power skin rashes cream and also there ehunam ani tutode bia sawan ne yam ne kro no ne pimples ni ade nyina so no etunu nyina na ama also watimi are free products ni na are available herbal and free pharmacy shops how do ni nationwide do pa no contact Mighty Power Company on 0242-725-009 afi 0243-122-192 Mighty Power or see is your body say boy in this way PSS start to say to chema we or say I am so appreciative for all the blessings in my life. I have friends, family, health, etc. But the one blessing that I'm forever grateful for is knowing and loving you. You are a perfect gift from God. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Enoch, I see you do. Hey, your dog. Your dog, not just a busiest wishing you could happy birthday. No, said the uncle your bema, your ben Mrs. Upies, that you did Mr. Upies, Yeah, Mr. Inokesidu. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Chief. Yamisha, wife so baby, I appreciate you so much. That's lovely. Right. Yeah, Twaso. Usuti 106.3 FM.
Mighty Power Tonic. Hopoti. Manu mama me huaye fe. Mighty Power Cream. Masro mama redia ye trum. Mighty Power Hair Food. Amma mitinya ye fese stretch ya huma. Mighty Power Laxative. Ahu me yem. Ayi me yem finina.